Once you've verified your part is fully constrained, you have ISO constrained under your sketch analysis, you're ready to make your solid. I just want to do a quick check to make sure I have this right. I have this 2x4. If I click over here, this part is 2x4 and it's 3 inches deep. And I can tell just by looking at this, this is halfway, so this would be 2 and this would be 2. And this line look the same height, so I would guess that's 1 and 1. So when I look at these measurements look correct. If I double click one, I could change it to 5 and it'll automatically readjust that. If I change this to 2, oh, it can't be 2, I could go 1.7 or 1.5. I could double click that and change it to 3. So all my constraints are working. This is perfect, although I don't want that size. So I'm going to just hit Control Z to undo the last ones I did, putting it back to where I had it. I'll turn my grid off just to get a better look at this. And that is the numbers I want. I forgot to do something here. Once you've established your datums, we have to rename them accordingly. So this is datum A. I'm going to right click this and go to properties. And I'm going to type in datum A. I'm using my up arrow because it remembers the last things I've typed. You may not have that option because you probably didn't type this yet. So you type in datum. I know that's probably hard to read. It's datum dash A dash. Select OK. This anchor right here should be datum A, and that's why I always create that anchor first. So when I'm doing that, I select this line first and then this one. This is datum B. I'm going to right click on this and go to properties, and I'm going to rename that to datum B. So there's datum B. I'm going to say OK. I have datum A and datum B here in the tree. When you have it set like that, this is going to be one of the pictures I want you to recreate. You're going to have that picture where I can see your datums being displayed. And this may seem kind of crazy, but if I go to standard and hit exit, it will shift the datum A and B to the top. Now, if you ever want to get in and get back to that same sketch and change anything, you would double click that sketch. And that's how you get back into the same sketch. Don't create a new sketch. Double click on the sketch that already exists if you want to modify that. When I expand this, now my datums are up there. So I want to get a picture that looks just like this with your part number, your student name, and I want to see your datums being renamed. And I'll see the anchors here in the tree, and I'll see this is green. To make a cleaner picture, you could turn that grid off. I just think it's a little busy with the grid on, but if you did have the grid on, that would be acceptable, okay? All right, that's what I'm looking for one of the pictures to verify that you have it fully constrained. Do this under analysis and click on this so I can see that you do have a fully constrained profile. So make a picture that looks just like this, and then we're going to submit that to Canvas. You can do that on Word or JPEG, screen print, whatever you're most comfortable doing, and if you need help, I'll show you.